Transformers have revolutionized AI, powering today's massive language models. But they come with a catch. They require massive datasets and huge GPU clusters. Because of this, developing state-of-the-art AI is restricted to a few big tech companies. As a PhD student, I faced these exact GPU and data constraints. This pushed me to ask, can we build models that deliver state-of-the-art performance without the massive price tag? In computer vision, convolutional neural networks are highly efficient because they use image-specific shortcuts called inductive biases. But they struggle to see the big picture or connect distant parts of an image. Transformers can do this, but they are incredibly resource heavy. We propose WaveMix, a novel neural architecture for computer vision that is highly resource efficient. WaveMix achieves accuracy comparable to or better than the best CNNs and vision transformers, but uses significantly fewer parameters, less GPU memory, and fewer computations. To understand how it works, think about how you look at a landscape. You don't examine every single blade of grass. Your brain naturally processes the big picture, the mountains and trees, and only focuses on the details when necessary. WaveMix mimics this using a mathematical tool called multi-level 2D discrete wavelet transforms. Instead of forcing the model to process every pixel with heavy calculations, WaveMix instantly compresses and reorganizes the image. It separates broad, sweeping features from sharp, detailed edges. Crucially, it does this losslessly. No information is thrown away and without adding any extra parameters. By shrinking the data size right from the start, WaveMix drastically cuts down memory and processing time, while allowing the model to see a wider context much faster than traditional CNNs. The entire architecture is built from a stack of self-similar WaveMix blocks, making it highly flexible for different tasks and hardware limits. By drastically reducing the time, cost, and energy required to train and deploy, WaveMix isn't just a technical upgrade. It's a step toward democratization of artificial intelligence. It means we can deploy powerful vision models on edge devices in rural medical clinics and in resource-limited labs, making cutting-edge AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their computing power. Thank you.